In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to configure Profinet device communication in KUKA iiQworks for KUKA KRC5 controller with KUKA OS system. Before you can officially configure in the iiQworks software, make sure you already installed iiQKUKA Profinet 7. Version code file in the SmartPad Pro called TeachPendant. Make sure you already installed this option in the TeachPendant. The next, you have to set IP address with PLC. So typically, we use XF4 port to connect with PLC. Okay, and you need to set IP address. You go to the SmartPad Pro TeachPendant. You find system setting, and you find network, and choose XF4 this port, and choose manual. You set IP address for this port. Remember, make sure this port is the same with PLC side setting for robot, and you click apply. After you configured IP address for XF4, the next you have to install the option package, Profinet option package, into the iiQworks software. So it's the same way like you installed in Work Visual. Do not open a project. You click on it, you close it, you exit. You exit the current project. You just double click iiQworks simulation software. Okay, currently you just open the software, but do not open a project, and you click File, you choose Options, you choose Add-on, and as you can see, you will find KUKA option packages. You can manage it. You click this plus and you choose the code file. Okay, you choose the code file to install it. After you install it, it will shows here. Okay. After you installed the code file in your software in iiQworks, the next, in the real project, you have to use the Ethernet cable to connect your laptop with KRC5 controller to upload the project. Okay, use the XF1 I introduced in the previous videos. XF1, this port, to connect with your laptop. Then you choose online, and the current controller will show here, and you click connect. Okay, in this video, because I don't add a robot side, so I'm gonna open a project to tell you. So I just opened the recent project. This project. So after you connect with your KRC5, and here you click device, you click all, and make sure you connected and should be connected. The next, you have to assign the Profinet option function to this software. The first step, you have to install this package into the software. The next, you have to assign this package to the robot. Make sure make sure you already connect with your robot and you choose the robot. As you can see, you choose it. You just click it. If you don't click it, if you choose it, it will show component property. If you don't choose it, then you cannot see that component property. You choose it, you click on it, and you will see component properties. And you scroll down, you'll find option packages configuration. And assigned options, because are already assigned, you can choose assign it. As you can see, option package, I already assigned it. Okay, you just plus add option to here. Make sure you already assigned package Profinet. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, the third step is you choose, we have to configure Profinet. Choose configuration. Here, you choose device, and you choose all, and you choose field bus. Similar like work visual. You choose add. As you can see, Profinet option goes here. You choose it, and you can cancel this continual addition. You choose add. Okay, and we can see Profinet already added. And the next is the same step like you did it in work visual. Profinet name and inside input size, output size. You double click on it. No reaction, and we choose topology. And we choose property. We choose the property, the Profinet property. And device name is important. Make sure it's the same with the PLC side. Okay. And activate Profinet device stack. Same like you work visual. Remember, you click on it. If you don't have Profisafe, then you choose off. Numbers of I/O. Remember, same. Okay, this is the bus timeout. And after you set the device name and I/O address, the I/O numbers of I/O input and output size, then the next you click apply. Then we go back to the device. So the next should be I/O mapping. Remember, same like work visual. So we choose configuration I/O mapping editor. So same, this is the same. So this is the KRC. This is, you can choose the Profinet. Input. The next should be I/O mapping like you did work visual. You choose KRC. You choose input first. As you can see, you can choose connect, disconnect, or you can choose here disconnect. You can choose connect. As you can see, connect. The second one, choose second one. Connect. Okay, already connect. Mapped shows here. If you want to disconnect it, you can choose it. You can choose it. You can just simply disconnect. Then we'll disconnect. Or you click on this. Okay. Same way for the digital output. As you can see. So this is for the I/O mapping. If you want to analog, same. As you can see, you can map here. Okay. And pay attention for the switch, for the swap signals, unswap signals. In this video, I don't introduce it. It's for the byte sequence. So I will introduce later. So this is for I/O mapping for Profinet. After you configured Profinet mapping, the next you have to download into the controller. So you click deploy configuration onto controller, and wait next, and wait for SPOC. Click on the teach panel, then the configuration downloaded into the controller. So it's almost like in work visual. So this is this video's content, hopefully useful to you. If you think it useful, please don't forget make a donation on my homepage. See you next.